Alright, so you hit the customer button right here and customers come up. So here you're seeing the screen the whole time. And so, let's say if we say add new one, pick this. I think we went through this already. So let me see if we have it. Test account. Alright, so let's make one. So here we go. It's got all these things associated with the tax return. So 985, 925, 3228. And we have the title, we have first name. So let's do this with this. Adams, last name is Adams. And to account. And the address from the country. And this one here is when you change the zip code, it actually puts it in the city.
It's hard thing for number one, huh?
Whole list of zip codes by the city, so regulated down by. So this whole thing has another department which tracks the zip code, the city, and all that stuff, and what tax rate it is. So you got info, sell, all stuff you can do. And the shipping address will be the same as this unless you change it. Now, when you have a company name, the company name becomes the lookout point of the display. The first and last name becomes secondary. When there is no company name, then it looks up by last name. But if it
Just makes me
let's see, it's this. And then here, it's this is important because it's the sales ID. So the salesman's going to get commission for the stuff that buys. So this is the list of employees. And times, so the COD, you pay by the 5th, you have all the times and stuff here. So let's say you pay by the 5th of 551, so this is what they're asking. COD, payment on delivery. So you have times like that or weekly account. So that's important. And the resale number and driver's number is not really that important. Let's say credit limit is very important. It determines how much money you're going to let them charge. So $500 credit limit, and if the account gets a 500, stops it. They'll be over his credit limit. And then print statements, and print invoices for statements if they choose. They need invoices. So we have discounts, so you can buy by category. So the category list, so I can give them an extra discount for these categories. So that's something important here as well. So let's say right here, I can say, hey, an extra 10% to whatever his price is already. So I give him an extra 10%. Then I can change it, or I can clear it, or I can do whatever. So clear all. Clear all of them, 0. I can set up here one number and add it to all of them, set all the customers. Alright, so these zeroed out. Alright, we got notes and phones, so we're going to hit OK at this point. We got other. Why I feel very important.
Your favorite person, Tyrell. What's up, brother?
Hit here. Test account.
Not left off.
So you see the shipping address automatically fills up. This is all the other info. Details, all the notes and stuff that we would have to do right there. Food filters. 20 by 20. Intake, something like that. We can keep a note under the account. If the salesman goes out there, there's those notes in there. Alright, so then the phone's a different phone number. So we might have a painter. Might have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. His name is John. He's the painter. And so we put that info in there. Pending transactions are, tickets that are open that haven't been finalized yet.
Hey, Ramon.
History is what the guy has purchased. And AR is what he, his balance, what he's, like a spreadsheet of invoice and balance. Buyers are who's the authorized buyer under his account. It's right there. Then loyalty programs, another program where we track their records and we give them points, like a credit card points. So we'll have to talk about that. Image is a picture. Card on files where you keep their credit cards. It does this, put their credit card on file. So this comes up and it allows us to keep a card on file. Reminders. I'm not really sure what this is. Nothing to use that. Deposits, if there's any deposits, routing, documents. We don't really use that. Documents we do, and they give us a tax document or something like that, we'll add, and it's a scanner, we'll scan it in here and save it in here. So I could do like a picture or something in this, the documentation. Okay, that's it for now.